What's up, ladies? Disc clappers are out here. We got all three. We're out here at Bird's Ruins in Marshall, Wisconsin. We're gonna be playing best shot triples today. 27 holes out here. We're playing all short pads, and our goal is 21 down. So enjoy.
Weeks ago. Oh, we're not taking that.
It is a little gusty.
And I don't look like an idiot all of a sudden.
Oh no.
Science!
Science! Yeah, I got us, guys. Don't worry. Oh.
I almost did too. Whack. Well.
Bone.
I got it. Don't worry.
Bone.
I got it. Don't
Shoot.
worry.
Ah! Go in! Oh, don't.
Dude.
That's the fairway at least, right?
That was really good.
Yeah! Hey, puppy! Oh!
That's something, I think.
I think that's money.
Birdied.
You just put your foot. Now I flip in push it. That's all you do.
How far is that? 3.
Oh, he's.
That went
Oh, he's over there.
bombs up.
What's this? He's really good at backhands.
Go in.
What?
Oh. Go in. Oh,
Dang
shoot.
it.
Come on, baby.
That's
Ah.
Oh, yeah.
Bomb.
That's fine, ain't it?
That's like
Yeah.
going.
Woo,
Oh, dang.
Shoot.
Extraordinary. Wow. Where did that go? Oh, that slid. Get through.
Where'd
That slid through.
Oh, sorry, was that distracting?
Yeah, and his backswing's ridiculous. Boned!
I almost had a kid.
Oh.
Getting boned today. Oh!
Does that count?
Oh, it skipped. Oh, yeah. Probably take that one. Doing so.
Good putt, Cole. Good putt, Cole. What the helly? Oh!
Oh!
Sorry, that was a distraction. And his backswing. That's better.
No.
It's not better. gotta make it. Oh! Oh! Yeah, Cole Fenner. He on that back wall, boy.
Inside.
Oh, that's money. Outside.
Yes!
Swish! Go in.
That ain't it.
Oh, that's like 3
Today
feet.
national.
That's it.
Inside.
Oh!
You ain't lying.
Holy cow.
Oh shoot!
That's
I ain't
money.
saying.
I thought it was fine, and then it wasn't as fine. Oh, it's the fun.
Yeah, my friend's parked.
Ah, at least
No,
we're
it,
parked.
it faded a little bit at the.
Good hold.
Shoot.
Good hold.
Should have held it for 2 seconds long.
You ain't lying.
Nope.
Oh shoot! This is gonna get bleak.
I don't think it's reachable with a mid right now. Go in.
So.
Well, shit.
Well, you see my.
Oh shoot!
It's over.
What does the mummy say?
I'll just put him on.
What does the mummy say?
Says, are you insane? The curse is real. That's what he says.
Well, that's debatable.
So close.
Well, perfect. Whoa! Thank you.
That's a putt. Oh!
Not either. That was close.
That's why.
Ready. Holy cow. That was I mean it.
Nice.
Oh, shoot!
Go in.
That's where I usually am.
Oh.
Good thing my friend's here to save the day.
Oh,
I don't know
boy.
about that. This
Big.
is a automatic 2 and we just took a 3.
Well, shoot.
Well, bang. Fade. Oh yeah. Perfect.
Shoot. Perfect, I would say. Okay, I see what you're doing. Well, that sucked. Yeah. Yeah, you tell him, Cole. Ain't that right?
Nice shot.
Nice shot! Hold on.
Go in.
Probably look cool, though. Well,
That putting today.
shoot.
Mouth wasn't far enough.
Wait, that's fade.
Mouth wasn't open far enough.
That's on that path.
Right around the
I
backside. Just
bombed.
where
That's
he
on
likes
that path. I've been there before.
it. Since when does he throw from not on the fair or not on the pay?
That's gone. Go in.
A little too straight.
Boom!
Oh,
Shoot.
shoot.
Just right of that poon.
Boned. That was so close, too. Oh.
Oh gosh, ladies, we gotta go perfect. I've never seen Cole throw an Annie.
I didn't expect it. Boom.
Oh. That's gonna crash out. You gotta put it in there. Oh, that's good. Go in.
I thought it was gonna be way.
Well, that works.
Is that good?
Did you just steal it?
Yes.
It wasn't yours.
Go in. Flashed.
You did it.
Ooh.
I like that.
Not quite there, but
that's
it'll be
good.
fun.
Yes. Way to strike a pose.
That's what I did. That's what he did.
Nice job, Co. And I know what you know. Holy cow, Cole Fenner, you're good.
Yeah, he is pretty good. You mean, he's at 5:30. Go in. Well, now you're gonna be late.
Gosh.
Yep.
Is that good?
That was like you turned the whole way instead of safe.
No.
Just left. That's so good. Go in.
Just left.
Dang it. Just left. Yeah.
It's all you, buddy.
All you, buddy. A long one. Yes!
Oh, fudge.
Shoot.
Oh.
Nope, that's cranked over. Chalk.
Big
On
boy.
that bush. That's it. Me and Kyle
Yeah, I
just
think
said-
it's milled up though. I think I'm way short.
Yeah, that's hella
Good if you
short.
like it. Well, shoot.
Dang it.
My goodness.
Come on, baby girl.
Dang it, I got it. I got it. I got it.
Yeah!
Yee. Dang. Yee.
All right.
Boned.
We just achieved our goal. We just finished 21 down. So
Mm-hmm.
nice round, fellas.
Right on the nose, 6
Yeah,
pars.
so we'll see you next time.